Servus and welcome on my channel csAirsoft. I'm Cosmo and today we are doing a small shooting test for my G&G RK74 CQB. What a long name. I hope you already have seen my review video about this gun. If not, I will link it up there or in the description so you can watch the review about or to this pretty AK gun. Yeah, but I don't want to talk too much. See you on the range. Yeah, I think you saw already how this gun was performing on the range. I personally think it was quite okay. For an out-of-the-box gun, that's a G&G, it costs, for this price of more than 300 euros. Yeah, personally I can say you can take this gun and you can play this gun out of the box. I think the hover works pretty good. The only thing I can say about this, you have to use an 11.1 volt LiPo because this gun has some problems with the 7.4 volt LiPo batteries, so you have to use the 11.1. Yeah, but this is the only thing I can say about this gun. I hope you liked this short shooting test video. If you want to see more about this AK, I will link the playlist of all of the videos up here. And if you like this video, please leave a like and a sub, and see you next time. Bye!